Alright guys, so check it out. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble a keto Cobb salad. Alright, and I got my bacon, cheese, chicken, onions. I'm going to go ahead and prep all these and cut these up and come back and plate up my salad for you guys. Guys, let's go ahead and start plating our salad. We're going to start by covering the plate with some lettuce. Alright, this is going to be our base. Alright. Try and get it as uniform as you can. Alright. I'm going to start with our tomatoes. Just going to put them in a line. Straight down. Alright. Get your cheese. I'm going to do a straight line of cheese also. You're going to come and get your bacon. You're going to put your bacon next to your tomatoes. Chicken, put your chicken right next to your cheese. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and add your eggs. You're going to put one here, one there. You're going to have red onions right between your egg and your chicken. You don't want a lot of red onions, just enough. Alright guys, now we're going to come with our avocado. You're going to put your avocado right between your egg and your bacon. The avocado right in there. Go ahead and add our avocado ranch. This is avocado ranch, guys. This is good stuff, guys. Avocado ranch, and it's literally, look at the carbs count in that. Beautiful Cobb salad, guys.